Okay, I'll pick the iPod up. Greetings, it is February 14th, 2021. Happy Valentine's Day. And I am now working on the last section here to stitch the borders that I had cut off when I had planned to have the drawing in a frame that I discovered it doesn't fit in because my drawing, two sections of the drawing were too close to the edge of the drawing paper and were kind of flux against the frame, like the small devilfish at lower right and the left side is the large sea monster on the left there. We're probably looking at this upside down, but I won't worry about it. So now I'm on the stitching the last section. I'll just do a few seconds of footage here just for my documentation of the artwork and all the different stages here. I'm using like a thread that's thicker than like regular sewing thread. Well, it's not as thick as twine. It works really well for this sort of project. In fact, sometime I'd like to see if I can get some more of it in other colors, like in addition to this kind of I don't know, beige sand sort of color. All right. Birds. Any sound effects here? We're on camera. See, one is sitting, the other one's eating wheatgrass. Gotta get that high fiber diet in there. Okay, here. One by the plastic container that looks like a outside of an orange, eating away there. The other one's resting. There's been periodic wild cacophony of chirping, but then they get quiet. I haven't figured out the rhyme or reason to how and when they get inspired to start chirping, chortling, and cheeping, and so on. Several hours of doing all this stitching. Well worth the endeavor. I think I have to get a metal thimble out because I've got several layers of acid-free adhesive on the archival adhesive tape on the back here, and it's hard to get the needle through. Oops. There we go. Thank you, my audience. Viewers will appreciate that. Gotta get this through. Use an old paprika container, or some people say paprika. You say tomato, I say tomato. Parakeet says something else entirely. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for all the chortly kvetching. Excellent. Nice. Very nice. Even more melodic than the classical music we hear. I can barely hear it. I gotta tune it up. I'm back on 98.1 King Classic Radio in Seattle, which, by the way, I believe can be heard anywhere worldwide via the internet. It's a great station for classical music. low battery. I hope got all the bird sounds in there. They were chortling, kvetching, hawking a chinik away. That's Yiddish for like yak, yak, yak. Birds, any more sound effects? Now's the time. Okay, that's it for now. For this part of the video documentation, again, it's Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2021. I'm going to twirl the iPod around here. All right, almost done. I just got this one section on the right to do here.